Okay, hi everybody. So today I'd like to share with you a really pretty move, one of my favorites, that Barry teaches often on the ending of Stella by Starlight. So the end of Stella by Starlight goes like this. She's all of this and more. She's everything that you adore. So it's just E minor 7 flat 5 to A7, D minor 7 flat 5 to G7, C minor 7 flat 5 to F7, and then home to B flat. So the move looks like this. Here it is, and here's the move. Here it is again. Really cool move. And it's so easy. So here's the breakdown. Let's look at the first example of this, which is the E minor 7 flat 5. Okay. The move is this. It's looks like a D minor 7 flat 5. Right, where D is down here, and then you have an F minor triad up here. And of course, we all know that a D minor 7 flat 5 is the same as an F minor with the D in the bass, right? That's going to be important coming up soon, so we'll put a pin in that. We'll talk about that. That D minor 7 flat 5 moves to an E flat 7, where D flat is the drop 2. So again, D, A flat, C, and F makes the D minor 7 flat 5, and D flat, G, B flat, and E flat makes the E flat 7. And then your target is A7, so you're going to hit the root of A. So here's the move. My target is A7. I'm going to do this D flat minor 7 flat 5 to E flat 7. And then I'll hit the root of A. Now, why is that related? Why is that so simple? Well, first of all, what is the lower voice doing? It's going... It's just doing the leading tone, really. You can think of this like the sus4 to 3 of A7, right? Right? Now, why is this D minor 7 flat 5 or F minor 6 important? Okay, let's do this one step at a time. D minor 7 flat 5 is the third chord of a B flat 7. So it really is kind of a B flat 7. If you're thinking F minor 6 is the important minor of a B flat 7. So this chord right here is really a B flat 7. B flat 7 is the dominant of E flat 7. So you're doing... So it's like the dominant of the dominant. E flat 7, in turn, is the tritone of A. So you're doing the dominant of the tritone. And that's why that's so cool. And then you resolve it to the tritone. So it's a really clever way of disguising a simple 7th chord. And of course, that creates a beautiful chain. Here's that, and I think I do the sus to the 3, and I think minor 7 flat 5 on that sus. Here's the F minus, what is this? D minus 7 flat 5. So my G is the target. The sus is C to B. C gets kind of a minor 7 flat 5 shape to D flat 7, and boom, the root. Okay, my target is F. That means sus4 to 3, the sus4 gets the minor 7 flat 5 shape to B7, the tritone of F. So that's the move. But obviously, this is such a useful and easy move. You can use it a million places. You know, another place Barry likes to do, he goes, watch your love from sight, like your dream at night, it can happen to you. Don't count stars or you might tumble. And now on the G7. I was thinking today of a song that might be appropriate for the season. It might as well be spring. You can throw that in so many places. You know, I'm as restless as a willow in a windstorm. Here you got a 3-6-2-5. You can put it right here. Oh. This is going to be a little comical. I'm going to use so many times. Obviously, please don't do this, but just to show you how many times you can use it. I'm at the puppet on the string. They say I'd have spring fever, but it isn't. In spring, I'm going to just use it about 17 times in the first 8 measures. Let's take a look at the bridge. I keep thinking, I'm wishing I was somewhere else. Leading back to the 2-chord. Walking on a strange new street. Oh. That I have never heard. Well, here's a minor 2-5. I'll just do it on the B7. From a guy I've yet to meet, I'm as busy as a spider weaving daydreams. I'm as giddy as a baby on a swing. Here's a good one right here. But I haven't seen a crocus or a rosebud. Perfect one here. Robin on a wing. Another one here. But I feel so gay in a melancholy way that it endless. You could just find yourself any situation where you're going to a 6 dominant, you know, and throw it in. Anyway, we could do this all day, getting on that video too long mark. So I'll just use this last few seconds to thank everybody for all the wonderful response, and to let you know about our Patreon page. If you like what you're getting here, you're finding it useful, please consider becoming a patron on our Patreon page. I'll link to it in the description, along with all the other related videos having to do with the 6-chord rules, which you used here, the drop 2 voicings, etc., things that will help you sort of put together this particular concept. But if you do become a patron, you'll have access to a lot of things that we're working on. For example, one of our great viewers and a long time Barry guy, Robert Glover, has been making these beautiful transcriptions of these videos. So you'll have access to those, and I'm working on some other goodies that'll be available, you know, to patrons. So consider going to the Patreon page and becoming a patron. Yeah, like and subscribe. Please, I love all the comments. They're great ideas, great discussions. Again, Barry's system is really more of a discussion. It is more about a living, breathing, evolving language. It's not just a top-down system. So I love to hear ideas. I love to hear people's points of view. Just, you know, as long as it's honest. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.